It might be so bad,
Live?
and this is the jaded outlook, but Kevin Hassett tells us that the October jobs report is going to be released
right?
without...
The connection is excellent? Am I fucking live or what? Hold on, let's see here. I want to see if I'm live.
This is the jaded outlook, but Kevin Hassett tells us that the October jobs report is going to be released without...
Testing. The connection is excellent? Am I fucking live or what? Alright, there we go. Alright, hey, let me get something straight, okay? Hold on, I gotta see how, because I got a super wide monitor. I want to make sure you guys can see everything on my screen. Okay, everything. We're gonna stretch this out so you can see everything, because I'm this. What the fuck is that? Why is this like that? I hate fucking Google. I hate Google. I hate Google the same way I hate Crypto-Goerge. Crypto-Goerge is such a dumbass. Hold on, I'm going to show you who I'm talking about. You guys know who I'm talking about. I want to make sure you guys can see everything on my screen. That looks good. That looks good enough. Okay? Crypto-Goerge is a dumbass. Okay? I'm going to show you something. This is who I'm talking about. Let me get everything set up here. I'm sorry I wasn't set up. Okay? This guy. I don't take no advice from him. I hate people that are biased. Biased to the grim. Where everything is buy now, only goes higher, buy, hodl. And they feed you a bunch of bullshit. This is what this guy is. Crypto-Goerge is his name. Or his YouTube channel, Cryptos Are Us. Everything is so biased. It's buy, crypto 150K forever. And he feeds you a bunch of bullshit and he keeps saying, bull market this, bull market that, buy now before you, or you're going to miss out on a chance or this or that. He is so full of shit. I give it to you straight. I don't bullshit. I am not attached to any of these cryptocurrencies or any of these stocks that I hold. I sell and I look to make profit. Even though I may be a fan, I don't trust cryptocurrency that much, at least not yet. And I look to buy back cheaper. And that's what I've done. This guy is fucking full of shit. Do not listen to him. Do not take any advice from him. He is a fucking liar, and worst of all, might I even say he's a fucking scammer. He's a scammer. He lies to you. I think it's in the embetterment of his self-interest to tell people, and it ain't that many people. It's like he has millions of views. He's not that popular. He wishes, but he's not that popular. But it's in the embetterment of himself, for himself, and it's in his best interest to tell people don't know what they're doing to buy and keep buying. It's in his best interest, and that's what he does. He is full of shit. Okay? I give it to you straight. And I have, not that I have some huge, enormous portfolio, but in these markets, I've been doing a good job of navigating. My cryptocurrency of choice to swing is Litecoin. It does not deserve my respect of holding on to it forever. Holding on to it for years. Absolutely not. I've been there and I've done it with Litecoin. And I've done that and I messed up. Because I'm sitting there holding. Now I'm kind of a hypocrite. Because I'm sitting there holding for, you know, what they call it. The hodl culture of hoping it goes back up for no reason. Did my shit freeze? Huh? Why the fuck does my shit constantly fucking freeze? So fucking annoying. Stupid ass. Don't fucking buy Spectrum neither. Spectrum is full of shit as well. I'm kind of a hypocrite because I'm sitting there holding for, what they call it. The hodl culture of, look at this. Hoping it goes back up for no reason. What is the fucking, did my shit freeze? Huh? Why the fuck does my shit constantly fucking freeze? Fucking annoying, okay? But like I was saying, this hodl culture of just sitting here holding on for dear life and never selling. Stop doing that, dude. I am in the stock market. I am in the crypto market to be profitable and to take profits and to not be greedy. Let me show you a quick example, okay? Now, what I do is very risky. Don't get it twisted. I'm not saying I'm saying an expert turner or an expert swinger or whatever. one mistake could cost me a lot because I kind of full port, and it isn't smart at all. It's stupid. I have a lot of money here. I should just go invest in mutual funds, but I'm not going to because it's too overpriced and too overvalued. So in my opinion, I'm not investing. Now they say it's better to be in the market than time the market because you can't, but I'm waiting. I want to buy back cheaper. I think it's overvalued and I think it's overpriced, so I'm not investing. But this is an example. Today, and thank God I did. What I do is, no. What I do is, I invest, when I go and invest in the stock market, and as well in the crypto market, this is a good principle. I invest in the top 6, top 7 companies with the highest market cap because, say it does go belly up, it's not immediate. It's slowly over time. And so I mitigate that and use that to my advantage because if I have to take a loss, then I take a loss on it. But I can catch on to it. If it's going to go belly up, which they aren't, at least I don't think they are for the time being, like Microsoft, like Meta, like Tesla, like Nvidia. Now, for example, today, I put almost $60,000 worth and bought 97 shares of Meta. And this is what I tell you. Greedy pigs get slaughtered. I had the opportunity to keep on holding, and I was like, I don't know. I bought at $6.15.42. I sold at $6.16.76, and I was ideally going to hold, and I'm like, no, I'm not interested. This profit isn't enough for me. But I said, fuck that. Markets look like shit, and I am selling, and I am getting out, and I avoided a huge, tremendous loss. Nothing crazy. Well, I mean, now it don't look that bad because I sold at $6.17, but at one point it was down to $6.03. That's a $15 swing on, let's say, let's just call it even at 100, or let's say 100 shares. That's $1,500 loss. I don't do that. I'm not in the business to go negative. Okay, so I sold that. That's just my example of don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Okay, I've had a good month. I've had a damn good month. I've had a damn good 3 months. Now, I'm not saying I'm nothing crazy, man. I'm not saying I'm an expert trader or I'm this or I'm that. But I kind of know where to find value, and that's what I've been doing. Okay? You just gotta, in the crypto markets, enough of the holding on for dear life. Take profit. If for some reason I see stupid people say, I'm not taking profit because of tax reasons. I don't know what that means. I think they're saying that they're not going to sell because they're going to be in a profit and they got to pay taxes, so they never sell. Tax implications, unless I'm at towards the end of the year. Hey! Tough. What is it called? Unless it's, for example, I've had such a tremendous year that I have to take into account that maybe I'm going to put myself in a higher tax bracket and get taxed more for gains, then maybe I'll take that into consideration. That is something I should. But in general, people are saying they're not going to sell it because you got to pay tax. Whether I'm buying or selling, it depends if it's towards the end of the year. Okay? That I'll give you. But just in general, me paying taxes doesn't dictate whether I buy or sell something. Because I'm going to have to pay 30% if it's short term. No, if I'm in a profit and I feel like I'm good with where I'm at, I'm going to sell. That's what people need to do. But people don't do that. That's not my fucking problem. That's their problem. Okay? I've had a great year. I've had a phenomenal year. Phenomenal year. I'm showing you. Great year. Year to date, 76%. Up on my portfolio's up 76% year to date, 115% on the year, on the 1 year calendar, on the all-time 142.22%. Not to pat myself on the back, bought the house. Closed. Not to pat myself in the back, but it's hard. It ain't easy in these markets. I'll tell you that much. It is not fucking easy. So if you can do it, do it. Good for you. All right? Hard. It isn't easy. Hopefully I'm not wrong. I mean, I'm just telling you. I just want to see my account, and if I've hit it a few times, when I sell, they take fees and they do whatever they got to do. I guess be profitable. That's how Robinhood makes. Robinhood. But that's it. Profits. Take profit. That's my point. And don't listen to this stupid guy. This guy is stupid. Very stupid. I hate stupid people. This is one of them.
Welcome back to Cryptos Are Us. I am George.
Bullish on crypto. Bullish on. Look at the comments. Look at the comments. Look at the comments. Bro, at this point, God himself can come down and announce he's selling tickets to heaven after you die, and you can only pay with crypto. Guess what? Markets. Oh, okay, my mistake. I didn't mean to read that. Even people are tired of this bullshit. You need to stop. Highly likely there would be partnerships between X or Tesla with, I don't know, a lot of scammers in his comments. A lot of scammers. I got George. We all got George. Again, not me. I don't listen to this fucking. This dude's a fucking moron. He's a stupid person. I tell you guys, stop listening to him. Stop. Please, this guy's stupid. This guy's stupid.
Happened.
Hate stupid people. One of them. One of them. Aiming. I say this is more finances on here. I guess if it came down to it, news and politics. More like finance, I guess. Audio, comedy, education, entertainment. Yes, if it. Who the heck? Shit. YouTube, you piece of shit. Don't listen to my last piece of advice. Don't listen to stupid people. One of them. A stupid person.
Out an unemployment rate attached.
I like all these finance guys I watch because I'm bored. They give good information. Sometimes it's biased information, but half the time they flip-flap on whatever the fuck they gotta say. Listen to the best investors like Warren Buffett, where he says can't outperform the S&P. If you have a hedge fund manager that performs S&P, made a bet or like a bet, come to me and do it. I'll pay you whatever. Made that bet. It was fucking. No one could do it. You can't outperform the S&P. S&P. I don't like buying at all time high prices. Sure. Might miss. I guess it could go even higher, but I'm not. I don't care. Have your money. This. Pay 60 grand collecting interest. About 180 a month. I don't care who you are. That's a good solid chunk of change. Nothing crazy, but it's 180. It's a good chunk of down and navigate. Buy the swings. Buy the swing. Still kind of think Bitcoin is still a little overpriced. I did it before, but I've better and Mount entered, Mount sold. Nice 100 and what is it? Huh? After it took. I think I've managed to do $300 with Meta. My advice. Take it, don't take it, I don't care. It's on you.
To it.
My advice is don't get greedy. Pigs get slaughtered. Take profits. Please take profits. I ask. Profits. God. Hypocrite. right? Don't listen to Crypto-Goerge. He's a